Nanoworx Car Care Services in Tarlac City's superior paint protection film service stands out as the premier choice for vehicle owners seeking unmatched car paint protection and aesthetic enhancement. Our superior quality, self-healing paint protection film shields your car from everyday hazards such as scratches, chips, and UV damage, preserving its pristine appearance and resale value. With professional film installation by our skilled technicians, the film seamlessly blends with your car's surface, offering an invisible barrier that maintains the original car paint's brilliance. Customers can choose to have the film installed over the entire car body or specific parts such as the hood, headlights, or frontal section, tailored to their needs. Trust Nanoworx Car Care Services for a durable, long-lasting solution that keeps your vehicle looking showroom new for years to come. Visit us at 30 Perez Avenue, San Sebastian, Village Gate 3 in Tarlac City, or call us at 097782248887 today.